For the graph below, identify the bridges. So which edge can you, if you were to remove it, would make the graph disconnected? So for the first graph on the left, give me an edge upon, if you plucked it from the graph, you have a disconnected graph. I'll give you one. AB. If we took out AB from the graph, not bride, that's better. So glad that did not spell something worse. If we took out AB from the graph, there's no way to get to A. So edge AB is considered a bridge. FG would also be a bridge. Good. But everything else is okay. And you're only considering plucking one edge at a time. So don't say, okay, if I took out DB and then took out CD, then CD is a bridge. No. No. You're only looking at one edge at a time. The graph on the right, what are the bridges? Sorry? BD, that's a bridge. Huh? BA, that's a bridge. DC. So the only one that's not the bridge is the loop. If you took the loop away, that's okay. You can still get to A from any other vertex. But all four other ones are bridges. Questions on that? Can everyone picture it okay? Almost every edge. So for instance, not writing the letters in, but if I took out BD, this one right here, then I can't go from B to D anymore. So now it's disconnected. But if I took out the loop, I can go from B to any other vertex. I can go from A to any other vertex. That's okay. No. The only A, B, and FG are bridges. Because if I took out FG, that's an eraser. If I took out FG, there's no way to get to G anymore. But if I took out ED, I can go from E to A to B to C to D to F to G. So you're only looking at one edge at a time. So don't take out FG and then also take out ED. No, you're only taking out one edge. Is that okay? Let's do a contrary example. Is there any edge that you could remove and create the disconnected graph? No. So there's no bridges for this one. Because if I take out any edge, I can still go from one to the other. But flip side, is there any edge that you could remove and create a disconnected graph? Yes. All three edges are bridges. If I took out AB, I can't get from A to anywhere else. If I took out BD, I can't get from B, I can only go to A. I couldn't go to C or D. Later on, we're going to learn that this type of graph gets a special name. Sorry, it looks like a peach now, so I have to draw a little leaf. That's good. Yeah. So a bridge is an edge that when you take it out, your graph becomes disconnected. Okay. So now